Stress is not just a mental burden or a temporary feeling of pressure. It is a biological cascade that physically alters your brain's structure and function. Today on Medical Vision 3D, we are using advanced neuroimaging and 3D visualization to reveal the invisible physiological reality of chronic stress. In the fast-paced world of 2026, understanding how to regulate your nervous system is no longer a luxury, it is a critical survival skill. We are going inside the brain to show you how the fight or flight response works, and, more importantly, how you can biologically hack your system to shut it down. In this 3D model, we can observe the HPA axis, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which governs your body's stress response. When you encounter a stressor, the amygdala, your brain's fear center, sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus. This triggers a flood of cortisol and adrenaline. While this is helpful in a life-threatening emergency, chronic activation causes the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for logic and calm, to lose its executive control. In 2026, we can visualize how prolonged cortisol exposure actually weakens the synaptic connections between your neurons, making it harder to think clearly and easier to remain in a state of high anxiety. Before we explore the clinical techniques and neurological interventions that can lower your cortisol and restore balance, please subscribe to Medical Vision 3D. Our mission is to provide high-fidelity 3D science to help you master your biological health. If you have a personal history with high-stress environments or burnout, or if you have found a specific technique that helped you regain control, please leave a comment below and share your history with our global community. Your insight could be the key for someone else's recovery. Also, send this video to a friend or colleague. Understanding the biology of stress is the first step toward reclaiming your peace of mind. To fight stress effectively, we must activate the parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system. One of the most powerful biological tools at your disposal is the vagus nerve. Through deep diaphragmatic breathing and specific mindfulness protocols, you can send a signal to your brain that the danger has passed. This visualization shows how these techniques lower your heart rate and inhibit the amygdala's activity, allowing the prefrontal cortex to come back online. Furthermore, consistent physical exercise and quality sleep promote neuroplasticity, helping to repair the damage caused by chronic tension. By understanding your anatomy and the chemical signals of your own brain, you move from being a victim of stress to a master of your physiology. Stay tuned to Medical Vision 3D as we continue to map the frontiers of human resilience.